So for the button I'm using medium worsted yarn number 4 and 3mm crochet hook. I'm gonna start by making a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 2. Gonna make 6 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Just be careful because the yarn is thick and the crochet hook is thin. I'm gonna join to the beginning stitch. Okay. I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet in every stitch. Okay, join to the beginning stitch. Now chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch. One single crochet in the next stitch. I will alternate 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch until the end of the round. And again join to the beginning stitch. Now the last step, or before the last step, I'm gonna chain 1 and I'm gonna slip stitch in every stitch. So this is how you make a simple button. What I'm gonna do next is optional, but it's easier if you don't want to stitch the button into whichever piece you're preparing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chain 10, but for you, you can chain as much as you need depending how big is your project. So 1, 2, and I'm gonna simply come back to the starting point and slip stitch. So this helps me to attach my pieces together without having to stitch the button into the piece itself. Here you can pull through. You can make a bigger one, but I'm fine with 10. So I'm making this for a pillow cover. So what I'm gonna do is just insert the button like this, so it closes the pillow. So for the second button, I have worked exactly the same as the first one, but here we're gonna change, the work will change to make it smaller. So I'm gonna use a tapestry needle. Sorry, before that I'll just pull the yarn through. Okay. And then I'm gonna use a tapestry needle. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna insert the tapestry needle in the next stitch and out of the following stitch. It's a bit tight. Okay. And in the next stitch and out until I come back to the starting point. Okay, and now it's very simple. I'm gonna pull as tight as possible the thread I did. Oops. I'll just turn it the right side before I continue. Yes, like this, and then tighten as much as I can to make it look round. And this is my button. Now what's left to do is sew it into the piece I want or required. So you can use the yarn you want with the smallest crochet hook, depending on how big or how small you want the button to be. And that's it. You'll just have to insert it and finish stitching your piece together with the button. I hope the tutorials were easy to follow. Let me know what you think. The written pattern is in the description box. Until next time, take care, bye bye.